Hey everybody, welcome back to our beautiful vegan kitchen. Look at this.
Watch the hands.
Somebody married me 36 years ago and now they're here still. So that's shocking, number one.
We haven't killed each other off yet.
But more importantly, it's Veganuary, day 5. And I thought it would be so much fun for us if... He's being tortured. If he would make us dinner tonight.
Somebody has a death wish.
Dad, blink twice if you need help.
Please. This is such a simple recipe.
Even I can do it.
Even he can do it, and he doesn't cook normally. He can make other stuff.
Yeah, I can make an omelet and
But we
spaghetti.
don't speak of that here.
How
This is
does
a
mommy
vegan
make the
channel.
spaghetti soft?
So my husband is going to make us dinner tonight with a little bit of direction from me.
So you'll be going like this, right?
No. All right. So we're making chicken soup tonight. Keep your hands to...
Can we get this going? My gosh.
Sorry.
We're going to be making chicken noodle soup today, but we are tasked a little bit differently because I'm gluten-free, vegan, nut-free. Not that nuts figure into this, but...
Yeah, I wasn't putting any nuts in there.
All right.
I know that much.
What we're going to do is basically make the soup gluten-free, but we will hold some of it aside when we get to the noodle part, and you guys can have your noodles, and I will have mine with rice. So normally what I would do when I make this soup is I would use the Tofurkey Lightly Seasoned Chick'n. It's in the deli department or the dairy department, but that's made with gluten, so that's a no-no. And I know that my husband does not like the soy curls in the chicken soup. He likes them in other stuff, but not so much in the chicken soup.
I did say that, didn't I?
Yeah. So today we're going to try this for the first time. We're using this Gardein Chick'n Scallopini.
Chick'n.
Yes, that's why it's spelled chicken without the N.
Yeah.
We're going to use this in place of the chicken. It's gluten-free and it's vegan, and I hope it is good. We don't know.
I really hope so, because I'll throw it all out.
No, you won't, because this is quite expensive to use this. But you know what? If you're gluten-free, you're pretty much used to spending a lot of money on stuff that's gluten-free.
Yeah.
Oh, why am I opening this? You should be doing this.
I don't know.
Why don't you, husband, turn on the stove to medium on that fry pan.
Oh!
And we will start by browning the chicken.
Okay.
I would probably do it in the big pot already, but I'm not sure how this chicken's going to react.
Medium. See?
Oh, no.
Yep. And put a little oil in there too.
Quantify a little.
1 tablespoon. You are your daughter's father for sure.
Look like enough to you?
Looks pretty good. I guess once your pan gets nice and hot, you can start browning these off.
Will do. Wait a second. We have 3 pack?
3 packs, yeah.
I don't know if it's all going to fit in there.
No, you have to do a little bit at a time.
Oh. Listen to those little babies sizzle.
Yeah. So let's do those, and then we'll put the second batch in.
All right.
Time to flip. Good job, Dad.
It's like I always do this, right?
Yeah.
I'm wonderful.
Are you having fun yet?
Oh yeah, I could do this every night. Let me cook from now on.
Oh, what?
I'm going to have my own channel.
Oh my god, get out the defibrillator paddles. I can't... You got that on camera,
I
right?
did. Oh, look at this.
Yeah.
I did that.
Yeah, and you set them
did.
aside, and now we're going to start sauteing our veggies.
Yes.
Right.
So, a little more olive oil.
Well, first turn on your pan.
Well, I can't turn on the pan. There's no knobs. I'll turn on the stove.
Oh.
Oh my god! The dad jokes.
Yeah, the dad jokes don't stop
They
coming.
keep coming.
That looks like a lot,
There
Dad.
is not a lot. Get the
Hey,
camera out of here.
he's Greek. What do you want?
This is the Mediterranean diet.
Yes.
I don't think that is on correctly.
I'll take care of that. Thank you.
barely any in there.
I saw a few glugs.
Glug.
In retrospect, guys, this is a lot of chicken. I probably would have went with 2 packs, but this is a big vat of soup, and I wasn't sure.
I already see it.
What?
2-pack.
2 packs a day.
Yep.
All right, we're gonna saute these bad
Our
boys.
mirepoix.
Yes, the mirepoix.
Onion, celery, and carrots. And tell everybody where they can find the ingredient list
Ooh.
and amounts and a crude description of what they should be doing.
I imagine on your channel.
In the info box below.
That's right. And I spilled a few, but that's cooking. You can't make an omelet without breaking a few eggs.
Honey, we don't talk about eggs on this channel.
All right.
We don't eat the eggs, do we?
No.
No.
Look at them.
Well, why don't you add those beautiful tricolor carrots?
I will. And they are actually quite attractive.
Yes, they
I
are.
like those.
So we're going to cook those for a few minutes,
Yeah.
and then we're going to add more stuff.
Okay.
All right.
And we're
so
back.
Now we're ready to start adding the liquid and the seasoning. So don't touch my salt.
Stop.
Normally I would buy the Tetra packs of the Veggie Stock, but in order to be more environmentally low waste, I'm trying out this veggie bouillon paste for the first time.
Used that. Okay.
I've never used this before. And it's actually made by the Hain Company, which I think it's made by the Hain Company.
So if this turns out to be total crap,
Yeah,
it's our fault.
It's from Lake Success, where we used to go shopping all the time when we lived down in the city.
Right.
So my mom used to buy Hain stuff all the time. So I know it's a good brand.
Right.
So I know I'm going to be happy with it, but it's just a little bit of a learning curve here. So why don't you add the first water? We're going to be adding a total of 16 cups of water. So
Yep.
here's the first
Whole
4
thing?
cups. Yep, the whole thing. I don't like to add the water all at once. I like to add like 4 cups at a time. So we're going to be doing that 3 more times.
Okie
But first we're going to add our seasonings. So I'm assuming that that's going to take a lot of salt. So why don't you start by adding
Hey, bud.
a tablespoon of salt.
Seems like a lot.
It seems like a lot, but you can't even imagine.
Yeah, but I'm sure the paste also has
No, the paste has no salt.
no salt.
No salt.
Okay. We'll come back to that later in case we need more.
Yeah, absolutely. All right, so now we're also going to be adding some garlic.
Mm-hmm.
And I really prefer using this granulated garlic over using fresh garlic because I feel like the taste is better and you never really get a bitter piece of garlic. I know that I've gotten bitter pieces of garlic in the past when I use fresh garlic, so we're going to use a teaspoon of the granulated garlic. We're going to use a teaspoon of sage.
Come off of there.
Just tap it on the pan. Just tap. We're gonna
Little
need.
tap.
Yep. We're gonna need a teaspoon of basil. And we're gonna need a teaspoon of thyme. Yes, I know what you're thinking. Parsley, sage, rosemary, and thyme.
I'm not
There's no
thinking
rosemary,
anything.
But we're gonna add a big bowl of parsley.
Ooh, so green.
Right? A lot of people don't like to add their parsley until the end. I like to let it cook in there the whole time.
Look at that.
Give it a stir.
Yep, give it a stir. And every
Starting to look
time that
good.
comes up to the boil,
Mm-hmm.
we're going to be adding another flask of the water.
About 4 cups, you said?
Right. But right now, before we cut, we're going to add the paste.
Sean looks very concerned.
He is very concerned.
Yeah. What is Dad doing?
So what did we say? We're going to do 3
3.5?
tables.
Who's
No,
concerned?
3 tablespoons.
Sean D is concerned.
What does Sean D concern, Sam?
Ooh.
Mmm. That looks delicious.
It is. And when you get to the last one, swish it in there.
will.
Because we want every bit of flavor. That's hardly a
That
full
wasn't-
That
tablespoon.
was a full because it was heaping in the middle.
No.
You better add an extra
I did.
squirt just for.
I did.
Add another
No.
extra squirt.
We don't want to overdo
Just a
it.
little. bloop.
Yeah, just give it a little. Yep.
You know, this thing is like almost empty now.
No, it's not.
Yes, it
Give it a
is.
little drishki. There you go.
Trust me.
All right.
Feel that. It's almost empty.
It's not. All right, so we'll come back when we have all of our soup boiling. All right, so
Setting some aside.
we're setting some aside because I can't have the. Can I have some veggies in mine?
No.
All right, yeah, just put the juice in there, and I'll. Oh my God, that is bad.
Dad.
You wanted me in the kitchen.
I can't have the noodles because. All right, that's fine. Oh my God.
What? Stop whining.
That's wonderful. Thank you. Now we're gonna add the noodles. So here's the
Whole bag?
the whole bag. Dump it in there. Don't make it go everywhere.
I'm trying not to.
All right. So we're gonna cook these for about 8 minutes, and then we're gonna add the chicken. Normally, when I do the seitan one, I add it before. But I'm afraid that this gluten-free one might break apart, so I'm gonna have it in there cooking for as little time as possible.
Curious what it's gonna be like in the leftovers.
Yeah.
Find out.
I just got freaked out. I was like, why is this purple? It's never been purple before, but we did have 2 big purple carrots in there.
Yeah, the tricolors.
Right. Usually we just use the orange. And the purple made it turn all purple. But that's good because that's all antioxidants. So
Yum.
good for you.
Yum.
It's good for you.
I have successfully made soup, as you can see, with a lot
Wow.
of chicken.
Look at that.
There is a lot in there.
And here's mine with the rice.
There you go.
Wow.
Right? It looked like the chicken held together pretty well, the gluten-free one. So,
Yes, we were wondering about that.
yeah.
Are you kidding me right now? I was like, I'm gonna pause so we can let this cool. And he's
He's
like,
got a
nope.
death wish. He's got a death wish.
You're gonna be crying.
You better blow like crazy. How is it? Yeah!
Yeah. I did it, everyone!
And you can too! If he can do it, trust me, you can do it too. So, subscribe for more videos with Wacky Marc. I know he'll be back. If you want to see, no, seriously, give this a thumbs up if you want to see
Seriously.
more of Marc. Because he's pretty special, isn't he? And subscribe for more videos like this one. Hit the bell to be notified when Marc posts his videos. And until next time, much love!